The spiritual Feng Shui. Facebook, Twitter, Thailand. Feng Shui, pronounced Feng Shui, is an ancient Chinese art whose name translates from the Chinese as wind and water. Feng Shui is a lyrical phrase that poetically evokes the heart of this ancient practice. Wind and water are, first and foremost, natural elements, two of the 5 elements that comprise all of nature. Wind is the earth's breath, and water is the invigorating lifeblood of everything that exists on our planet. Both wind and water have tremendous energy that drives Feng Shui's practices and techniques to fill your life with positive energies. Feng Shui, at its very core, is a means of arranging the basic elements of life and all the things that you surround yourself with on a daily basis to create the optimal and harmonious flow of vital life energy, just like the flow of water and wind. How Feng Shui works. Feng Shui is no magic. It is a collection of practical, time-tested solutions based on the fundamental properties of elements that are used to change the negative aspects and introduce the positive aspects of each element to your living environment and change your life for the better. Feng Shui has had a huge impact on the lives of hundreds of thousands of people around the globe, and you can have its benefits work for you. By simply changing the interior of your home, changing the colors of your walls, or relocating the furniture in your bedroom, you can enjoy the positive effects of Feng Shui. Feng Shui information. Some key points. Good Feng Shui requires an open mind, heart, and spirit. Feng Shui releases negativity from your house and life. It opens up a whole new space within you for positive thoughts, love, contentment, and prosperity. Don't let negativity enter when you practice Feng Shui. Holding on to negative emotions and past anger can only hinder you from making progress through Feng Shui and creating a wonderful future for yourself. Practicing good karma is a cornerstone of Feng Shui. Be generous and give of yourself in order to receive in kind from the universe and others around you. You are living a life that is ill-suited to you, your personality, your dreams, your family, your essential self, and your home is symbolic of this. Feng Shui helps you to enhance your living space by changing one or more elements in the room. As you learn more about Feng Shui, you will begin to understand the significance of each and every practice that is related to Feng Shui. By embracing Feng Shui, you embrace the fact that you deserve balance, harmony, and spiritual fulfillment. You deserve empowerment and clarity. So, let Feng Shui help you reach out and take hold of all those things. You, your life, and your future all stand to benefit immensely if you do. Remember that Feng Shui is not only about changing your physical surroundings, but it is also about changing yourself from within. The spiritual Feng Shui is a spiritual technique that transforms you at both physical and metaphysical level. Physical Feng Shui, just moving around furniture, is incomplete without the support of mental and emotional Feng Shui. Until you practice Feng Shui in its totality, it is of little use.